not waste our time. Find a way to